welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday the 2nd of March. We're on the way out to SDMA's Hillclimb out of Fairburn, which is just outside of ACT, so just outside of Canberra. Yeah, so taking the 370 out there for round 2. Obviously did round 1 with a completely stock 370, and obviously this one now I've done a fair bit of work to it. Looking forward to the challenge. It's exciting to do something different. I still love my drifting, but you know, this is exciting as well. So yeah, as I said, on the way out there now, and let's head out there and see what kind of lap times I can put down. And got the family coming in as well, so Bianca and Sebastian are in the Ranger following along. So anyway, I've probably jibber-jabbed enough, so yeah, looking forward to it. That's the plan. Alright, so we're out here at SDMA for round 2 of the hill climb series. It's the single lap hill climb. Just set up behind us over there, going up to sign on. You looking forward to it, sweetie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, so just stripped everything out of the car, and let's see what lap times we can do. Alright. Morning. Morning. How are you?
I'm very good. How are you, Brad?
Good, thank you.
Number 35 today?
Yes, please.
Awesome.
Awesome. No worries. Do I need to sign anything, Colin?
No, I think you're all good.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Have a great day.
See you guys.
See ya.
Alright, so got the numbers. The trusty, I've got down. Trusty 35s. Just going to go up and have a bit of a quick look at the track. Got my little man following me behind here. Let's have a look in. Oh, that hill's steeper than it looks. Alright. Nice and peaceful. Got our little setup over there. 808? Why is it 808? Ah. There you go. Hey Aaron.
Hey.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, good.
That's good. I'll come and chat soon. Here we are. Yeah. Horrible lap. All right, that's lap 1 in the books. It was a horrible lap. Way more grip with the tires than I expected. So last round I could go up the hill and hold second all the way up the hill, and it would nearly hit limiter just before the top corner. So I tried to leave it in second this lap, but yeah, I hit limiter half up the hill. That's how much more speed I was using. And then because it did that, it bogged for ages while I was trying to go to third, and I actually went to fifth. So like 2 or 3 dodgy gear changes. So yeah, now I know I've got to use third up the hill. So let's see how we go with that. All right. All right, lined up for lap 2. Didn't make any changes to the car because I made so many mistakes with misshifts and spinning off the line and hitting limiter and stuff. So yeah, like you don't get a true read on where the car settings are. So I'll try again this lap and see how that all goes, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right. Okay, that was terrible. That was like a 54 something, so slower again. Yeah, I've had a massive like shift again from second and hit fifth. I'm sure that'll, like if I can get that working, that'll pick it up. Plus my launch was a little bit soft. I don't think I revved it quite enough. But yeah, definitely slower. So, don't know. Maybe go back to standard. Nah, I just got to sort it out, work out what's going on. Maybe it's too much grip now for the horsepower, but I kind of doubt that because, you know, I was hitting the ceiling for the car round 1, like that 51.3534 sort of area. So anyway, back to the drawing board and we'll see how we go. All right, so lined up for run 3. The only change I've made is tire pressure. Not that I think that'll make the difference. Obviously the gear shifting is the thing that'll make the biggest difference. So yeah, let's see if I can get from second to third, and that should, yeah, certainly help. All right, let's see how we go. .87, baby. All right, finally broke the 40s, so sub 50, so 48.87. Shifted to third down into the chicane. Yeah, it felt pretty boggy, but obviously much quicker. So yeah, stoked. That was the goal, to get into the 40s somewhere. So if that's my real time, I'm happy. Anything from now on's a bonus. You. All right, it's lunchtime here now, so that's 3 runs. The first 2 runs were absolutely rubbish, so don't ask me what times. I know they were like 53 or 4 or something, so the slowest times I've done here. I kept missing 2nd to 3rd, so I tried a new strategy that lap and put a vert back, and actually shifted from 2nd to 3rd on the downhill into the chicane, because I figured, you know, I could take a little bit more time because you're already using gravity going downhill, whereas if you miss a shift going up a hill, or even a slow shift, like obviously you're fighting gravity. So yeah, it felt boggier after that, and it was touch and go whether the clutch was going to stay together. And yeah, so it felt quite slow, like probably the slowest I've ever done, but did a 48.87, so obviously quicker. All right, we'll have some lunch and try again after it. All right, lined up for lap 4. The lunch break's over. Yeah, so haven't changed anything. I've left the tyres at 28, and haven't touched the clickers on the MCA, just left them as they are. And yeah, I'll just try clean up my lines a little bit and see if I can do better. But to be honest, I'm sub 50 now, so I'm pretty happy with that. But you always want to do better, but we'll give it a crack. And yeah, let's just see how we go. You. I have no idea what happened then. Well, that's super frustrating. I don't know what happened. I still did a 49, and that was with no accelerator from the last corner. I just literally just had to idle over the finish line, so that's like maybe 50 meters, 100 meters, I don't know. Yeah, not too sure. Yeah, like super frustrating. Just come around the last corner down the hill and no accelerator. Not too sure why. So you had to roll the whole way over the finish line. Yeah, not too sure if there's something wrong with the pedal or the throttle body, one of the throttle bodies, but either way it wigged out and still did a 49. So obviously there's a massive improvement there, but that would have been a 46 or 47 for sure. Like, that was way quicker. Anyway, I'll have a look and make sure there's nothing loose on the connectors and try for the last lap. Thanks for watching, guys. Yo. All right, guys, last lap for the day. Lining up, ready to go. And yeah, so basically, as you know, the engine cut out on the last corner of the 4th lap, and I still did a 49. I just put the OBD scanner on there and it came back as catalytic converters not efficient or something like that. So which is weird because I've got cat delete, but that being said, that might be, you know, wigging out those two O2 sensors. So anyway, all I've done is cleared the codes. I'll send it out there again and hope for the best. Obviously if it cuts out again and it does the same codes, well, I know I've got to drill down further in that area. Might have to space the O2 sensors away a little bit because there's no cats. I know that that's a thing. So anyway, ready for the next lap. Yo. Thank you, sir. .4858. All right, so that last lap was a 48.58. Yeah, definitely felt slower up the hill. I think I made a bit of, didn't do the turn up onto the hill to go up the hill as clean as I'd like, and it definitely felt like I laboured all the way up the hill, so I reckon that's where I lost probably about a second. But the rest of it seemed to go all right. Probably left a tiny bit of time on the table as well into the last corner. I was just kind of waiting for it to cut out, but yeah, it didn't cut out, so that's awesome. And yeah, so the goal was to get sub 50, and now I've done 2 in the 48s and that one in the 49, which was all from the whole last corner all the way to the finish line with no engine. So that was definitely going to be like 46 or 47, but anyway, that's life. So that's round 2 of the SDMA Hillclimb Championship here for 2025. The goal obviously after the first round of modifications was to get a sub 50. Managed to do that 3 times. Did 2 48s and a 49, and the 49 was definitely I was on course to go a couple of seconds quicker than my best. Long story short, it cut out on the last corner, just before the corner, and I literally had to roll all the way over the finish line, which is like maybe 100 meters or something, with no engine. So, and it still did a 49. So, but yeah, anyway, had an awesome time. The crew here at SDMA are awesome. All the drivers are unreal to be around as well. Definitely enjoying the challenge, and yeah, looking forward to making some more modifications and see if I can get the time down even further. Thanks for watching, guys. Yo.